Welcome to the Timing Financial Markets online seminar. The goal of this seminar is to show you many methods of timing the markets and how to trade profitably using time as one of the tools of your trading. However, before you continue this seminar, it is suggested that you see the Illusions of Financial Markets video. Information from that video is essential to appreciate that extraneous concepts do not affect the market action. It is also presumed that you have some experience working with charts and stock market charts. In this seminar today, I will show you 1. 2-bar combinations. 2. What is a trend change? 3. The trend change fractal. 4. What is time? 5. The eternal repeating pattern of the markets. 6. The relationship between price and time. 7. Forecasting trend change, squaring price and time. 8. The square of 9 and the square of 4. 9. The Nifty 10-year time factor. 10. The intraday India Nifty trading system. 11. The intraday stock trading system. 12. Trading plan with time. 2-bar combinations. Whenever we look at charts, patterns and statistics, the entire action we are doing is only one of comparing. We are looking at the past action and comparing it with present action and attempting to forecast a future action based on the past action. To compare anything, we need more than one. We cannot compare a single unit. There is nothing to compare it with. Look at this action on a single day. By itself it cannot help us much. We cannot make any assumptions or gather any information from one data point. When we add another bar here, we immediately have 2 units and can instantly say, the first day was higher than the second day, or the second day was lower than the earlier day. Therefore, for any statistical study we need more than one unit. Let us start here with 1 bar, or 1 day's price action in the markets. Then when we have the second day's action, we can now compare, and we see that the second bar is higher than the previous bar. We can also see that the low of the second bar is higher than the low point of the first day. Thus, when both the high and the low of the current bar are higher than the high and the low of the previous bar, we call the second bar a high bar. Next, when the high and the low of the second bar is lower than the high and the low of the previous bar, we call such a bar a low bar. Here in this case, the second bar has a high that is lower than the high of the previous bar, and a low that is higher than the low of the previous bar. In this case, the entire action of the second bar was inside the range of the previous bar. Such a bar is called an inside bar. Inside bars are to be neglected and ignored. In this instance, the high of the second bar is higher than the high of the previous bar, and the low of the current bar is lower than the low of the previous bar. The action of the current bar went beyond or outside the range of the previous bar, and we call this an outside bar. Outside bars are especially important and denote a period of high activity and call for attention. These bars are also called the accident bars, as suddenly, for no apparent reason, markets tend to show a change in trend after an outside bar. Behavior